It's easy to be a backseat driver. You sit in the back, you see all the mistakes the driver makes, you see how it could be better, should have been better, you could have done it better. And the only thing you have to say is how bad he drives or she drives. Now, I'm not talking about a car, even though, yes, we all do that in cars, and that's the worst thing to do. But I'm talking about in life, in our relationships, in our businesses, in our careers. We always have something to say about other people, how they should have or could have done it better, and we always see their mistakes. However, we have to ask ourselves, do we have skin in the game? Do we have any responsibility, or are we just taking a back seat here and talking and talking and talking about how things could be better or should be better? Because that doesn't mean anything. You see, if you take a back seat in decisions and you always let your partner make decisions, or you let other people in the business or wherever you're working, let them take the responsibility and you let them take the decisions, and then you have something to say about that, that's the worst thing. Why don't you step up to the plate and you make the decisions? You don't, because you're scared. Because you're scared that you might fail, and you expect from yourself only the best, that you don't fail. So like I said, it's easy to let other people make decisions and then have something to say about those decisions or actions. But be careful when you have something to say. Always think, why am I not making the decision here, number one? And maybe that person who is making the decision is facing a lot of challenges that I'm not aware of. So maybe instead of always cutting them down and belittling them, maybe I should strengthen them and say, like, you know, I knew that was a tough decision for you to make. Well done. Even if maybe, and I'm saying this, something better could have been done. So even when you have criticism, constructive criticism, think 10 times about giving it, because it's easy to criticize somebody. It's much harder to do it yourself. So next time, step up to the plate, do it yourself. And then, once you give a personal example, then you can show others.